guys, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw Vicky Kaushal. Well, I find him so hot and such a brilliant actor he is and such a brilliant dancer he is. And recently his song came out, which is Tauba Tauba, and I'm fully fascinated, attracted, addicted to the song, to this look of Vicky Kaushal. So I thought, why not let's give it a try to draw his face. मैं तो ये song तौबा तौबा on repeat पे देख रही थी reels पे. So then it just clicked in my mind कि अच्छा मैं भी ये उनका ये जो look है, उनका जो face है वो मैं drawing करूँ. और I just started drawing it and मैं बहुत दिनों के बाद भी drawing कर रही हूँ आज. And like while drawing it I really enjoyed the whole process. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था उनका सनग्लास, उनका एटीट्यूड, उनका स्टाइल, उनका जो ग्रेस है वो ड्रॉ करने में मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. एंड वाइल ड्राइंग हिज फेस मैं बहुत ऑब्जर्व कर रही थी वो फ़ोटो जूम इन करके. एंड आई वॉज ऑब्जर्विंग ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल्स ऑफ हिज फेस, हिज बियर्ड, the angle of his glasses, the angle of his nose, everything I was observing, every tiny details I was observing. And I'll suggest you also, if you want to give it a try, then you should also observe your reference image very minutely. And let's come to the reference image. वो मैंने तो उनका like Google पे सर्च करके ये ले ली है, like Vicky Kaushal's look in Tauba Tauba. तो आपको भी मिल जाएगा गूगल पे. अगर नहीं मिलता है तो comment down below. I'll arrange it for you guys. And आप देख ही सकते हो कि in the left corner of this video I have pasted which picture I have taken from Google, and you can also give this drawing a try. And if you really enjoy watching my videos, please hit subscribe to my channel and like and share this video as much as you can. Well, watch this video till the end to see the final outline outcome of this drawing, and also wait for the next part where I will be sharing the pencil shading process.